Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Sammy.
I'm Lainey.
And today we're going to be trying Weird Food Snacks Challenge.
Yeah, okay. That's perfect.
We got a big bag of snacks from Big Lots, and there's also a drink in here. I have not tried them before at all, like none of this.
It's pretty cool.
So, the first snack we're going to try is shrimp crackers. They sound good, I guess, but we're gonna. Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh fish! Oh boy! All right, so
Shrimp.
okay. The aftertaste isn't that bad. They just smell like really bad.
Dude, okay, so I have fish and it smells like the fish. Like the tank.
It smells like the fish food.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna rate this like a 3 out of 10. I don't like them as much. What do you
Yeah.
rate it?
Maybe like a 4 out of 10. It's not that bad, but.
On to the next snack. We found dragon fruit chips, apparently.
Does it say crunchy dried?
Crunchy dried white flesh dragon fruit. So we're gonna see
Okay.
what this tastes like.
Crack this
I've
bad
never
boy open.
I've never tried them. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Whoa, those look sick. Let me smell it.
Like, it doesn't really smell like anything, but it looks kind of looks kind of oopsies. Looks kind of like that. I don't like the aftertaste.
I don't like it.
I can throw it in here. I give this a 0 out of 10. This is gross.
0 out of 10. Definitely. It's like sour sweet. I don't know how to say it.
Alright.
It's still stuck there.
Next, we have roasted seaweed snack. It's sweet and salty. I like sushi, so I wonder if I'm gonna like.
Sushi nasty. I don't know.
I wonder if I'm gonna like actual seaweed.
Smell it first. Let's smell. Whoa!
So basically, it's like
seaweed.
it's like a piece of paper.
It smells.
Like, it's literally a piece of paper.
It smells like seaweed. Like, you know when you walk to the ocean, it's just seaweed everywhere? That's what it smells like.
Yeah,
It's like weird.
it's like really.
Flimsy.
All right,
We're
so-
gonna eat seaweed right now.
Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. All right, I give that a complete 0 out of 10. This is gross.
I just ate the whole ocean.
That's so gross.
Oh my god, that's like a negative 5,100 million
Oh my god.
out of 10.
Okay, let's try something better. I don't know if this is weird,
It smells like butt.
but it's called moon cheese. I mean, it smells weird, but like,
Dude, C's gift. This ain't no gift. This is some.
all right, here. Here's one
I
piece
hope
for you.
It smells.
It's
It smells
just
like butt. I like cheese.
Alright.
I love cheese.
so.
I think I just broke a bracket.
Oh,
It's not bad. It's cheesy, really cheesy.
I give this like a 6 out of 10. I think it's all right. It's gluten free.
How do you do that?
Yeah, like that. It's and it's high in protein, so it's good for you. I like this. I could munch on this.
I don't know if it's worthy of a 7.
I'm saying
It's
6
really-
out of 10. Hands down.
It's good. I'm gonna have to go with the 6 out of 10 too.
6 out of 10.
Might have to.
All right, so for our last, well, we have a snack and then we have a drink. But we're gonna go with these. I don't think they're really weird. I think they're definitely out of country.
Out of country.
Yeah, I think they're from Spain. Yeah, Spain. These are like from Spain, so they're like Spanish. It's not. I don't know. But I
Muy
like.
bien.
I like. Ooh, that
My
smells
nostrils.
good.
This does smell good. My nostrils leaking. Hang on, guys.
So I'm gonna open. Oh my god, this actually. I'm not. She goes, "Don't eat it without me." Who do you think I am? This actually looks good. These are like the snacks that we didn't like, so we're gonna throw that out.
Nice.
We're gonna leave that like right there. So this is the cheesecake with cream cheese and with cheese cream and blueberries.
Cheese
So
cream and blueberries.
it looks like that. Looks almost like a Twinkie almost.
Did you show them the package?
Huh?
Did you show them the package?
I think I did.
Or she didn't.
But that's the packaging.
Looks good.
Oh, it smells good.
It smells really good. Cheese cream?
Ooh, here. Actually, you know what? Yeah, we
You
can
want
just-
this piece?
No. No. Okay, so.
Mmm.
Alright, I'll give this a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
Definitely 10 out of 10.
Mm-hmm.
It's like, it's so soft. Taste of blueberries in it. Very good.
Uh-huh. 10 out of 10. Good job, Spain.
Muy bien. Imperfect.
And then to wash this down,
My fingers smell like that seaweed.
to wash it down, it's not like a weird drink. It's basically just sparkling coconut water, but it's watermelon flavored. So. Oh, it smells good.
Oh, it's sparkling water?
A little bit.
Isn't that like soda water or something?
So that's what it looks like. Ten out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Mm-hmm.
10 out of 10.
I like that. It's not bad at all.
Is it like soda-y?
Kind of.
I'm scared.
It actually tastes really good.
Whoa. Here you go.
I think it tastes good.
It doesn't taste bad. It's like the flavor is good. It's,
It's
like the
literally just
soda.
it's just a sparkling
part.
water that's watermelon flavored. That's all it really is.
It's good. It's good.
All right. I give this a 10 out of 10.
I give it 9 out of 10 just because the soda aspect of it.
I like this a lot. All right.
These.
So
Do
our
not
worst rating
ever-
snack that we've tried out of here is definitely the seaweed snacks.
Do not.
I don't know if it's because it's just seaweed, but I just don't like
Like, look
the
at
texture of it. I don't like
How thin? It's like papery. Look.
I just don't like it. The dragon fruit snacks were okay. It's just I don't like the texture of it, and probably because I just don't really like dragon fruit, I don't really
I
eat
never
it.
tried dragon fruit. That's my first time trying something dragon fruit.
The shrimp crackers, they were all right.
Fish
but
food.
I just didn't like the smell of them.
These were. Did you show this already?
Those were
These were the best.
top list out of these are these and honestly the drink.
Definitely.
So that's the only things that we actually like. So
Oh, nice.
I might need to film a thumbnail though.
Yeah.
So just hold that. And then. Alright. You guys can definitely screenshot that. But I think that's it for today's video.
Yeah.
If you guys like the video, give it a like and
A big thumbs up. Well,
two big thumbs up.
Four of them.
4 of them. And if you want to see more, definitely comment down below. Give it a like. Hit that big red subscribe button.
Comment what kinds of foods you want us to try.
Yes, comment what kind of foods that you want us to try, and we will try them. So, I think that's it. We will come back with another video. We do not know what video we're going to film next, but we will figure it out somehow. So,
This could be a surprise.
I don't know. But peace out, guys. I hope you liked the video. We will see you next time. Peace.